Hey Siri, what should everyone do while watching my video?
Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to AJ170's name so you never miss a video.
Hey guys, what is up? This is AJ170, and today I have another jailbreak video for you guys. I have quite a few jailbreak videos planned, including how I got my custom notification badges, how I did my theme, and a couple others. But I really wanted to make this one when I just learned about it. So this is going to allow you to make purchases on iOS 11 on Cydia through Big Boss and other similar repos that have the official Cydia to actually purchase it. The only problem with this is that new packages that support iOS 11, like that start supporting iOS 11, you will not be able to buy because CCRecord, I don't know how the fuck to pronounce his name, he actually has to accept them. And more than likely, he's not going to do that until he updates Cydia, which there's a chance that could happen in another 3 to 5 years from now. It's hard telling. But anyways, with this tweak and repo, it'll allow you to make purchases to already existing tweaks that are inside of Cydia. So it's really useful, really neat. I've already actually used it to test to make sure that the purchases work, and it actually did. But yeah, so let's go ahead and jump right into this video, guys. Can I get 170 likes? Also, if you guys are new, support the 170 and subscribe. So with all that said, I'm going to go ahead and meet you guys over on my iPhone now. Alright guys, so as you see, I'm over on my iPhone now. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually show you guys that the purchases are working. So I'm going to go ahead and click ignore on that. And then I'm going to go ahead and type in something like Eclipse. And there we go. For example, as you can see, this actually allows me to purchase it. It says purchase product. Now I am on iOS 11. I did forget to show that, but as all of you guys know, you can easily fake the information saying that you're on iOS 11. So you guys are just going to have to trust me on this one. But yeah, if I keep scrolling through, now the outdated packages still say unable to purchase due to them simply being outdated. If I go ahead and type in round and go to this thing right here, as you can see, I can actually purchase it. So just wanted to actually prove to you guys that I can do that. So now I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how to get the repo. Just go to the link inside of the description. It'll look like this. Click add to Cydia. Once you guys click on add to Cydia, click open. And then install the source. Once you guys install the source, click continue to source, go to all packages, and then make Cydia buy again. Now if you guys want to find it by going to sources, just tap on sources, tap on the repo, then tap on the package, and then you should see install on the top right hand corner. I've already got it installed. But yeah, that's how you do it. Now, I will not make any kind of videos on how to pirate tweaks on iOS 11 due to the fact that I don't support the piracy of tweaks. Now, before you guys start saying, oh, well, you have piracy repos, some of them are to pirate actual App Store apps and in-app purchases, which I don't care. I don't care if people do that. Now, the one that is on there, I'm not going to say the name of it, that actually does allow you to pirate tweaks. The reason why I have that is because I don't support developers saying, in order to use my tweak, you have to pay $5 a month in order to use my tweak. I honestly think that's a load of bullshit. I refuse to pay a monthly subscription to use your tweaks. I think that is one of the stupidest things I've ever seen a developer do inside this community. It's absolutely ridiculous, and I refuse to give them a single penny of my hard-earned money. And I'm actually thinking about making a video on how to pirate tweaks due to the stupid fucking developers that are actually doing that, because I've seen quite a few of them do it, and it's something that should not be allowed inside the iOS community, because I understand the whole concept of it, and I understand why people do it, but let's say, for example, let's say there's 20 people that are doing it, they all have one tweak from us, and they're all charging $5, that doesn't seem like a lot when you're only doing it for 1 or 2 people, because that's about $10 a month. But when you have over 20 tweaks you want and 20 different developers are doing it, that alone right there is $100 a month, which is a lot of fucking money just to have some tweaks on your guys' phone. And then to add on top of that, let's say that the people who are doing it, which I've seen about 3 different developers who are doing it now, let's say that they all have over 100 different people giving them $5 a month. I mean, they're able to pay off all of their bills right then and there. In my opinion, I don't think Cydia should be something to where you're able to make a full living off of this. This should be something as a hobby that you're doing it from your side. The only exception for that are the people who run big repos like Big Boss, or the people who have actually, the person who actually made Cydia, and that would have to be Cyric. I believe those are the people that should actually be able to make a living off of this, but people that are making tweaks, I believe they should just be able to pay off a Netflix, you know, cable and a phone bill off of it, and that's about it, or be able to save up for a good couple of months and then upgrade their phone, stuff like that. It shouldn't be something to where, oh, I can pay off my rent, I can go buy a brand new car and all this other stuff. I think that's absolutely fucking ridiculous. But yeah, sorry for the little rant at the end of the video, but that's basically going to be just about it for this video, guys. This is AJ170 signing out. See you guys next time.